Croeso I Uned 8. Welcome to Unit 8. You have learned to ask a variety of questions about people, the weather and the time. Now, we will learn useful questions to help you use your Welsh on the telephone and when you're out and about. To request items or a service, or to request permission to do something, we use ga fi, may I. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Say after me, ga fi. Ga fi comes from the verb cael, to have. It can be used before verbs and nouns. For example, ga fi fynd adre. May I go home? Ga fi goffi di. May I have a black coffee? Let's practice. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Say after me. Ga fi fynd adre. Ga fi goffi di. The positive yes answer is cei in the informal or cewch in the formal. And the negative no answer is na chei in the informal and na chewch in the formal. You haven't been introduced to the formal forms, but they will be explained later. But for now, accept it as an important and useful phrase. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Ga fi fynd adre. Ga fi goffi di. Cei. Na chei. Cewch. Na chewch. Did you notice the soft mutation, a treiglad meddal, in mynd and coffee? After this pattern, there is a soft mutation. You've already come across this mutation in previous units, and you can go back to look at Uned 4 if you need to practice. Let's practice useful requests at work. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Ga fi siarad a Dr Jones? May I speak with Dr Jones? Ga fi fynd i'r cyfarfod? May I go to the meeting? Ga fi adael yn gynnar? May I leave early? Ga I ofyn cwestiwn? May I ask a question? Unwaith eto. Once again. Ga fi siarad a Dr Jones? Ga fi fynd i'r cyfarfod? Ga fi adael yn gynnar? Ga fi ofyn cwestiwn? Gwych. Let's look at some more patterns we could use in the workplace. Gaf I allwedd y swyddfa. May I have the key to the office? Gaf I de a llaeth. May I have tea with milk? Gaf I gadair? May I have a chair? Gaf I bensel? May I have a pencil? Once again, dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Gaf I allwedd y swyddfa? Gaf I de a llaeth? Gaf I gadair? Gaf I bensel? Arbennig. The positive answer is cei, and the negative answer is na chei. Your turn. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I, cei. Na chei. Of course, these questions can be followed by please. For example, gaf I gadair os gwelwch yn dda? Gaf I bensel, please? Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Gaf I gadair os gwelwch yn dda? Gaf I bensel, please? Da iawn chi. Mae hi'n amser ymarfer nawr. It's time to practice now. Remember that you can watch this video again at any time to revise. Pob lwc!